everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how you can create and display announcement widget on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the pixel before creating the notification. Once you have installed it, click the add notification button. You will see different type of social proof notifications and widgets here. Navigate to widgets and go to announcement. As you can see, we have many type of widgets available. You can announce discounts, free plan, offer. You can also add CTS for videos, reminders, demos, and more. There are a lot of things you can do with announcement widgets. Let's create one of this. We'll go with the discount one. Click on select designs and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. Enter the name which is easy to remember and the URL where you want to display the notification. Once you have filled in this information, click on create and customize, and you will be redirected to customization page. Here we have two sections. The first one is design. Here we have live preview screen where you can see how your widget will look like on your website. You can also check how your widget will look like in mobile phone and desktop screen. Then on the right side, we have three main configuration options. In design, you can customize widget text, icon, position, animation, borders, colors, and more. And in case you want to redirect your users to desired pages, then you can make your widget clickable and add CTA button. Then we have data and timing configurations. This one is really important in widgets. Here we have three different settings available. In other settings, you can choose whether you want to skip seen widgets to same visitors during a specific period of time. We recommend you to keep this on, as your visitors might get annoyed looking at the same announcement again and again. Then we have display in loop option. If you turn this on, you can display announcement widget in loop with other social proof notifications and widgets. If you don't want to show it in loop, turn this off and use behavioral rule. Let's say if you are running limited time offers and you want to display announcement in that time period only, then what you can do is add start and expiry date and specify days of the week. And it will automatically be activated on specified start date and will get deactivated on expiry date. We also have an option to set trigger movements based on exit intent, time-based intent, or scroll-based intent. You can set the time duration and scroll, after which you want announcement widgets to be displayed to the visitor. You can use hide rule to hide widgets after a specific time. You can also set a countdown timer to create urgency. If you have added 10 seconds in hide rule, the timer will display a countdown of 10 seconds only. That's all about design section. Once you are done with it, click on save button and move to the display section by clicking the continue button. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display widgets, like display it on all pages or specific pages, by adding different display conditions. If you want to display same widget on multiple websites, you just have to add multiple website URL here. You can choose whether you want to display widget to returning or new visitors and target the specific audience by using segmentation options like UTM, cookies name, and more. Once you have customized both these options, your widget is ready to go live. Simply click on this button and turn the widget on. Now let's check it on your website. As you can see, the widget is live on your website. So that is how you create an announcement widget. If you still face any queries while creating announcement widget, connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.